Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. My mama's stewed chicken is on the menu today. Yes. Here's what we need to make my mama's stewed chicken. Chicken, of course, you can use any part of the chicken you want. She used to use wings, so I'm going to use wings. All right, olive oil or some kind of oil to fry it in, so you can use corn oil, vegetable oil, whatever you want. Black pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt. A seasoned salt, I'm going to use the Himalayan salt, but use some kind of seasoned salt. Onion powder, celery seed, chopped onions, and chopped green peppers. Y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it. All right, here we go. So before we put them in the pan, we're gonna season our wings. All right. All right, so you wanna liberally sprinkle your salt, because you wanna make sure you got enough salt on these, but it's gonna get a flavor in here anyway, so you don't have to oversalt it for sure. All right, black pepper. Garlic powder. Be quite liberal with that garlic powder, honey. I like a lot anyway, but if you don't bother. All right, onion powder. I'm gonna put some celery seed in here. Okay. All right, now what we want to do is make sure they all coated real good. All right. So make sure all sides of your chicken coated. Baby, make sure it's coated well too. I want more salt on one of them than you have on another one. I usually do it with my hands, but I got these claws on now, so I gotta improvise a little bit. I gotta improvise. All right, here we go. We're gonna swing right over to the pan. Pan on a high, it's gonna get reduced to a medium, no doubt. No doubt, baby. All right, all the chicken in. That's what you should hear. You hear that sizzle, your pan not hot enough. Okay? You hear that sizzle, darling, your pan is not hot enough. I need more olive oil, you never know. In goes all of the green peppers. So you notice I have some small, some big. Yes. The small ones can cook down. The big ones, that'll just be the few left on the chicken. So I don't want it to cook all the way in. So I cut some of them a little bigger. So you want to get your bell peppers in. You want to get your onions in. Now, here's where you can decide on your own. There's no particular amount of bell peppers or onions. It just depends on what you think you might like or what you like. And I mean that. I am so serious about that. All right, so let's get... All right, so this one thing we're going to notice is the bottom of the pan. Not enough oil. I usually do that. I'm going to put some more oil. I sprinkle it all over the chicken too. Don't turn it down yet. Don't turn it down yet. We're going to start letting this cook down. This is good. You're going to get a good flavor out of this too. And you're going to see how easy and quick it is. All the while my mama was making it when I was a kid, she'd make it and put it, we'd have rice with it or something, but I'm telling you, this is good. And this is going to be quick. It's not a long recipe at all. At this point, still got it on high. I'm going to stir it around a little bit. Now, this is good. Now, put this on a medium heat. A medium heat. And put a top on it. So we're going to put it to medium. We're going to put the top on it. We'll come back and check on it in about 20 minutes. All right, it's about 10-15 minutes into it. This is what you're going to see. All right, this is exactly what you're going to see. So the chicken is starting to go really good. You do not need juice to cover the chicken. You don't. This is going to stew down very, very well, but you're going to see this is not one with a gravy to it. That's not necessary. So I'm going to let this go 20 more minutes, and we're going to come back and I'll show you what it looks like again. Wow. All right, now, forward. Now, what happens with the chicken is we're going to put the chicken up on high. We're going to reduce this kind of low. So we're going to put the chicken up on high. And watch that juice in there. It's going to reduce. So this is like 20 minutes. It's like 25 minutes after this has been cooking. So 20 to 25 minutes after it's been cooking. This is what we're going to do. Now, you see how little, it looks like it's a lot of juice, but you see how little it is? Yes, and we're going to reduce that to even less. So you ain't even got to touch it. You can sit your chicken here for a minute and let that cook down. So center your chicken. If you don't have it centered, center it and let that go. That's what's going to take the rest of the way. Now this is within 3 to 4 minutes. So within 3 to 4 minutes now, you start seeing a very thick sauce like that. So this is the stock that the chicken has created once we put it in. Remember, we didn't add any stock to this. We didn't add any liquid to it. This is the liquid from the chicken itself. So this is about a 30-minute recipe, believe it or not. You want to cook it on low longer. You can if you want to cook your chicken to pieces. Sometimes my mother did. She cooked that chicken to pieces. It was so good. Just falling off the bone good. Okay. So you're going to let this go. Like really a couple more minutes until this reduces all the way down. And then this chicken is ready. When I said 3 to 4 minutes, I literally mean it if you watch the clock. 3 to 4 minutes for this to continue to reduce all the way down. This chicken is not designed to have a gravy, a sauce with it. It's not. The liquid that the chicken creates once you use your oil or your olive oil, whatever you use in there, it is designed to flavor the chicken outside and the inside. And that is why at the end, if you still have liquid in your chicken, we reduce it like this, and it intensifies the flavor so many times over. You wouldn't believe it. All right. So, hey, it's cold outside right now. We're all looking for comfort foods. This is one of them at the top of my list. Made by my mom so many years ago. Now being made by me. My suggestion to you is, y'all know what I'm going to say? Y'all better go make this, because it's good. I'm telling y'all. If y'all haven't hit that like or that subscribe button by now, hit that like button, that subscribe, and that share. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your coworkers, tell everybody, tell strangers. Hell, tell strangers. Anyway, if you're returning, thank you for your continued support, and I want you to know, each and every one of you, I really do appreciate it. Thank you, and thank you again. But like I said, go make this dish. You won't regret it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how it turned out for you and how good it is, because I guarantee you it damn well is good. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm going to show y'all a picture at the end, though. But thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.